Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. In the last class we completed section 2, 7 to 10 problems. Now in this class we will do remaining problems from section 2, that is 11th problem, 12th problem, 13th and 14th problems. Now 11th problem, express a sin square c by 2 plus c sin square a by 2 in terms of s, a, b, c. Now solution. So what is given? A sin square c by 2, a sin square c by 2 plus c into sin square a by 2. So we have to express this value in terms of s, a, b, c. So from off angle formulas, what is sin c by 2? From off angles, part 1 lo I explained about off angles formulas also. Off angles formula, sin a by 2 formula, sin b by 2 formula, sin c by 2 formula. Sin c by 2 is equals to, from that formula, sin c by 2 equals to what? S minus a into s minus b by ab under root. This is sin c by 2 value. Ikkada whole square undi kada, take whole square also, plus c into sin c by 2 is sin a by 2 is equals to s minus b into s minus c by bc under root whole square, okay na? Write sin c by 2 formula and sin a by 2 formula. So square and roots gets cancel, square cancel, square root cancel. So what is the remaining? A into s minus a into s minus b by ab plus c into s minus b, c into s minus b into s minus c by bc. So a gets cancelled, c gets cancelled. So what is the remaining? B and b. So take out b as LCM. So s minus a into s minus b plus s minus b into s minus c divided by b. And denominator bb undi kada, ante LCM b avutundi. So what is the common from two terms? S minus b is the common. Take out s minus b is the common. S minus b common. Remaining s minus a plus s minus c by b. So s plus s 2s, s minus b into 2s minus a minus c by b. 2s minus a minus c by b. So 2s is equals to what? S is equals to a plus b plus c by 2. 2s is equals to a plus b plus c. 2s is equals to what? S is equals to a plus b plus c by 2. So 2s is equals to a plus b plus c. So substitute a plus b plus c value here. So s minus b into a plus b plus c minus a minus c by b. So plus a minus a gets cancelled, plus c minus c gets cancelled. So what is the remaining? S minus b is equals to s minus b into b divided by b. Only b untundi inka. So bb gets cancelled. So what is the remaining? S minus b. ఓకేనా? అంటే ఫైనల్ వచ్చే ఆన్సర్లో మనకి ఈ 4 టర్మ్స్ ఉండొచ్చు, ఎస్, ఏ, బి అండ్ సి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద సొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ 11th క్వశ్చన్. నౌ సొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ 12th క్వశ్చన్, వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ 4 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇఫ్ b plus c is equals to 3a, then find the value of cot b by 2, cot c by 2. So what is the given condition? b plus c is equals to 3a. b plus c is equals to ca. This is the given condition. So we know the value of s is equals to a plus b plus c by 2. S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. So 2S is equals to A plus B plus C. 2S is equals to A plus B plus C. 2S is equals to A plus B plus C. But what is given B plus C value? B plus C value ఏంటి 3A. So ఇక్కడ B plus C value is equals to 3A రాయండి. Substitute B plus C is equals to 3A. 2S is equals to A plus B plus C is equals 3A కదా? Yeah, 3A. Take 3A. B plus C place లో 3A రాయండి. 2S is equals to A plus 3A. A plus 3A is equals to 4A. 2S is equals to 4A. So S is equals to ఏంటి 4A by 2. S is equals to 4A by 2. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So S is equals to ఏంటి 2A. S is equals to 2A. ఇది S value. S is equals to 2A. So మనం ఏం వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ చేయాలి? We have to find the value of cot B by 2, cot C by 2. Cot B by 2, cot C by 2. So write cot B by 2 value from half angles formula and cot C by 2 also from half angles formula. Cot B by 2 into cot C by 2 is equals to, what is the cot B by 2 formula? S into S minus B by S minus A into S minus C under root. Tan ఏమొస్తుందంటే tan B by 2 ఫార్ములా S minus A into S minus C by S into S minus B. Tan B by 2 రెసిప్రోకల్ చేస్తే మనకి cot వస్తుంది into cot C by 2. S into S minus C by S minus A into S minus B under root. ఓకేనా? టోటల్ 2 టర్మ్స్ రూట్ ఉంది కదా, టోటల్ రూట్ తీసుకుందాం మనం. సో S into S minus B by S minus A into S minus C into S into S minus C by S minus A into S minus B. S minus A into S minus B under root. S minus A into S minus B under root. So do cancellation if possible. S minus B gets cancelled. S minus C gets cancelled. So S into S square is equals to S square by S minus A into S minus A whole square. S minus A whole square under root. So square root అంటే ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది, రూట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది, స్క్వేర్ రూట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. So what is the remaining? S by S minus A. S by S minus A. So what is S value? S value ఏంటి మనకి? S is equals to 2A కదా, substitute S value 2A, take it as equation number 1. Substitute S is equals to 2A. So 2A by S value 2A minus A is equals to 2A by 2A minus A. So A gets cancelled is equals to 2. So this is the value of cot B by 2 into cot C by 2. So since from first equation, then value ఏంటి? cot B by 2 into cot C by 2 is equals to, therefore cot B by 2 into cot C by 2 is equals to 2. So this is also very very important 4 marks question. Now 13th question. Prove that B plus C into cos B plus C by 2 is equals to A cos B minus C by 2. So we cannot prove this directly, but we have another method. Send A to the left side and cos B plus C to the right side. A to the left side. A left side to say what will happen? B plus C by A. LHS becomes B plus C by A. RHS becomes cos B minus C by 2 by cos B plus C by 2. So first take B plus C by A. Now find the value of B plus C by A. Find the value of B plus C by A. So B is equals to from sin rule 2 or sin B. B is equals to from sin rule 2 or sin B. C is equals to from sin rule 2 or sin C. 2 or sin C by A is equals to from sin rule 2 or sin A. 2 or sin A. 2 or sin A. So b is equals to 2r sin b plus c is equals to 2r sin c by a is equals to from 2r sin a from sin rule. Ivanni enti sin rule. So take out 2r common. 2r common. What is the remaining? Sin b plus sin c is by 2r sin a. Sin b plus sin c by 2r sin a. 2 gets cancel, r gets cancel. So remaining ఏంటి మనకి sin b plus sin c, sin b plus sin c by sin a by sin a. Numerator in the form of sin c plus sin d form. Sin c plus sin d form. ఏంటి sin c plus sin d ఫార్ములా? ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్న ఫార్ములా sin c plus sin d is equals to sin c plus sin d is equals to 2 sin c plus d by 2, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. It's sin c plus sin d formula numerator ki. So denominator in the form of sin theta. Sin theta is equals to, we can write this as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ అప్లై చేయండి. Apply this formula to the numerator and apply this sin theta formula to the denominator. Okay na? So sin b plus sin c is equals to 2 sin c ante b, d ante c. 2 sin b plus c by 2, b plus c by 2 cos b minus c by 2, cos b minus c by 2 divided by sin theta is equals to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Sin a is equals to 2 sin a by 2, 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2, 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. So 2 gets cancel, 2 cancel అవుతుంది. So remaining ఏంటి? sin b plus c by 2 is equals to sin b plus c by 2 into cos b minus c by 2 cos b minus c by 2 by denominator sin a is a by 2 cos a by 2. In any triangle a plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees. A plus b plus c is equals to ఏంటి? 180 degrees ఇక్కడ రాస్తాం. So a plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees. So a is equals to, what will happen? A is equals to 180 minus b plus c. అంటే 180 మైనస్ బి మైనస్ సి అవుతుంది. అంటే మైనస్ కామన్ రాస్తే ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 180 మైనస్ ఆఫ్ బి ప్లస్ సి. ఇక్కడ రాయండి, ఏ ప్లస్లో రాయండి. సైన్ ఏ బై 2 కదా, ఇక్కడ రాయండి. సో సైన్ ఏ బై 2 సో ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ ఏంటి? 180 మైనస్ ఆఫ్ బి ప్లస్ సి. రైట్ హియర్ అండ్ హియర్. సో సైన్ 180 minus of b plus c by 2 cos 180 minus of b plus c by 2. Right, a is equals to 180 minus of b plus c. So 180 by 2 అంటే 90 is equals to sin b plus c by 2 cos b minus c by 2 b minus c by 2 divided by 180 by 2 అంటే 90. So sin 90 minus of b plus c by 2 into cos 180 by 2 అంటే 90 minus of b plus c by 2. So sin 90 minus theta cos theta, cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So is equals to sin b plus c by 2 into cos b minus c by 2 by sin 90 minus theta cos theta, cos b plus c by 2 sin cos 90 minus theta sin theta, sin b plus c by 2, sin b plus c by 2. So sin b plus c by 2, sin b plus c by 2 gets cancelled, both will cancel. Sin b plus c by 2, sin b plus c by 2. So remaining ఏంటి? LHS into remaining b plus c by a is equals to, what is the numerator? Cos b minus c by 2 by denominator cos b plus c by 2, cos b plus c by 2. Now here do cross multiplication. అంటే ఇది డినామినేటర్ LHS మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, a RHS లో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. ఓకేనా? సో LH what will happens b plus c into cos b plus c by 2 cos b plus c by 2 is equals to a right side RHS లో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, a into cos b minus c by 2. ఇదే ప్రూవ్ చేయాల్సింది. దిస్ రిజల్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రూవ్. ఓకేనా? b plus c into cos b plus c by 2 is equals to a into cos b minus c by 2. So this is the solution of 13th question. Now 14th question. In a triangle ABC, show that b square minus c square by a square is equals to sin b minus c by sin b plus c. So given in a triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, sum of three angles equals to 180. A plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees. A plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees. So what is get? First take LHS. LHS is equals to what? B square minus c square by a square. B square minus c square by a square. So write b value from sine rule and c value and a value also from sine rule. What is b value from sine rule? 2r sin b. 2r sin b. From sine rule నుండి b small b value అంటే 2r sin b. Small c అంటే 2r sin c. 2r sin c whole square by a అంటే 2r sin a. 2r sin a. Sin a whole square. b అంటే 2r sin b whole square minus c అంటే 2r sin c whole square. a అంటే 2r sin a. సో 2 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 4 కదా, 4r స్క్వేర్, 4r స్క్వేర్ sin స్క్వేర్ b మైనస్ 2 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 4r స్క్వేర్ sin స్క్వేర్ c బై 2 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 4r స్క్వేర్ sin స్క్వేర్ a, 4r స్క్వేర్ sin స్క్వేర్ a. సో టేక్ అవుట్ 4r స్క్వేర్ కామన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద న్యూమరేటర్. న్యూమరేటర్ కామన్ 4r స్క్వేర్ కామన్ రాయండి, 4r స్క్వేర్ కామన్. రిమైనింగ్ ఏంటి? sin స్క్వేర్ b మైనస్ sin స్క్వేర్ c. sin స్క్వేర్ b మైనస్ sin స్క్వేర్ c బై డివైడెడ్ బై 4r స్క్వేర్ sin స్క్వేర్ a. 4r స్క్వేర్ sin స్క్వేర్ a. 4r స్క్వేర్ gets cancelled. 4r square gets cancelled. So numerator in the form of sin square a minus sin square b form. Sin square b minus sin square c is equals to formula ఏంటంటే it is the sin square b minus sin square c is equals to sin b plus c into sin b minus c by denominator sin square a కదా, we can write sin square a as sin a into sin a. sin a into sin a రాసుకోవచ్చు దీన్ని. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ sin square b minus sin square c is equals to sin b plus c into sin b minus c. Here we are using this formula. sin square a minus స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్ములా ఉంటుంది 6th చాప్టర్లో. sin square a minus sin square b is equals to sin a plus b into sin a minus b. sin a plus b into sin a minus b ఇది ఫార్ములా. ఈ ఫార్ములా ఇక్కడ అప్లై చేస్తున్నా. sin b plus c into sin b minus c. ఓకేనా? నౌ a from a plus b plus c is equals to 180. a is equals to రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం 180 minus b minus c or a is equals to 180 minus of b plus c. ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నా ఈ డినామినేటర్ a ఇక్కడ 2 ప్లేసెస్లో is equals to sin b plus c sin b plus c sin b minus c sin b minus c divided by a is equals to ఏంటి from 180 minus of b plus c sin 180 minus of b plus c into sin same a value 180 minus of b plus c 180 minus of b plus c ఇక్కడ రాద్దాం is equals to sin b plus c into sin b minus c sin b minus c divided by a is equals to 180 minus of b plus c sin 180 minus of b plus c into sin 180 minus of b plus c 180 minus of b plus c is equals to sin b plus c right as it is into sin b minus c by 180 minus theta. It is in the form of sin 180 minus theta. 180 is the even multiples of sin. Even multiples of 90. 90 even multiples 180 కదా. సో రేషియో చేంజ్ అవ్వదు, సైన్కి సైనే వస్తుంది. అంటే 180 మైనస్ theta అంటే సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్. సో సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో సైన్ పాజిటివ్. సో రైట్ అంటే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది, సైన్కి సైన్ బి ప్లస్ సి వస్తుంది మనకి. సైన్ 180 మైనస్ theta అంటే సైన్ theta. సైన్ బి ప్లస్ సి ఇది కూడా సేమే కదా. sin into sin b plus c. So sin b plus c gets cancelled. So this is the RHS value. Sin b minus c by sin b minus c by sin b plus c. B plus c. So this is the RHS is equals to RHS. Therefore b square minus c square by b square minus c square by a square is equals to sin b minus c by sin b plus c. Sin b minus c by sin b plus c. This is the solution of 14th question.